We got bees. Bow, 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 bow. G'day all. No guesses as to what I'm doing today. Got my trusty smoker, got my protection, even got my gloves. Today I'm transferring a nucleus into our beehive, into a brood box. So join me on this new trek. Okay, so for all of you, a bit hard to see me I know because I'm stuck in this little boxed area. So I've just moved the nucleus from this spot where it's going to be. This is the new box that they're going to have, brood box. If you want to know anything about bees, just search it. I'm a beginner. This is my first attempt. So I'm going to transfer the 5 frames into this one. I have only 3 with formed wax. The other 2 extra frames are going to be just empties. And I put the waxed ones right up against these established ones. Let's see how good this nuck was. So, oh wow. Wow, that is chock-a-blocker. That is awesome.
What is it?
No, there's nothing on the lid. You can see the bees in there. So this frame isn't established yet. They've started on this one, but these ones, they've joined together. That's weird. I'm going to have fun with this one. This one's going to be a tough one. Oh, that made him angry, not happy. From what I understand is, just nice, slow. So they haven't even started on this frame, but they're there. Try not to crush them. Okay, get that one out of the road. See, this one can go on this side. Now what I can do, gently pry them apart. Okay, look at them all. Now I've been told the trick is put them in the same order. So I will switch this one over here. So I want to have the even number of frames, but I want to also put them in the same order I got them out. So, watch out, mister, or miss, whatever you are. I'm not complaining much. Well, this is exciting times, people. Oh, we're going to have honey. Oh, yeah. Some serious bees. I want to squish you little fellas, so make sure you're out of the road then. Especially don't want to squish the queen. That wouldn't be good. I tell you what, the smoke is working. Yeah, little babies. The baby babies. There's the buzz. Trying to see the queen. Apparently that's difficult. For an absolute noob, probably impossible. Out of my road, I've got to put my fingers there. Out of my road, I've got to put my fingers there. Thank you. Up and at 'em. And over we go. Into your new home. 10 frame Langstrom, I think they call it. And if there's anybody that wants to give kudos or criticism, feel free, please, because like I said, new world for me. Loving them. Great fun to just sit and watch them come and go from the hive. So this brood box is got to be filled up. So like these 4 frames or 3 frames, they've got to be filled right up, and then I can put the super on top, and that will be where the honey is collected. I've gone for an auto frame setup. Oh, there's a cockroach. Dang it. Get rid of that cockroach. Get rid of that cockroach. Step on it. Did you see it? Dirty, rotten cockroach in the box. How? That's got me stumped. I'd say that came from the place. Okay, so now got to try and bunch them up. So we're going to have 3 frames on this side. So my little wilding, can you grab me 1 wooden frame, please? Because I've got 2 waxed on each side. I'm going to try and put it that way. A little bit of gap. Now slowly move them together. I don't want to squish the queen. Oh, it's buzzing in here. It's awesome. I don't have too many in there, which is interesting, because when I've watched videos of people who do this, they've always had lots of bees in there. But this case I don't. If I see that cockroach, I'm going to step on him. Can you see him? I don't think we need this smoker anymore. Oh, bee wrangler, yeah, the bee ranch. I'm probably being overcautious, but because there's quite a bit of fat on some of the frames, I really don't want to squash the queen, don't want to squash any of them really. So I'm just slowly pushing it together, just trying to bed them in nicely. Oh, hello, look at this, isn't it awesome? That was a bit quick, come on. If you're in there, it's time to move, people. Move your bee butts. You little bee bums, get them out of the road. Okay, 1 more frame please, wildling. Thank you. There we go. Now, the idea is supposedly squeeze them together neatly, leaving more of a gap on the outsides than on the middles. Oh, it looks good. Listen to them. Now, last one. You know what? Oh, deadlings. Oh, deadlings there. Oh, little bee's gone. Oh, no, he's fell down. I'll sort him out. Alright, ready. There you go. I'm going to leave that there and let them wander over naturally. So next I'll need from the wildling is the box cover. You're not happy? What are you looking at? Oh, it's just so much fun. Tell you what, get in that edge. Go on. Come on. I want to squish you. I want to put you away in there nicely. Okay, and I'll need the roof now, please. My little wildling. Oh. Good as gold. That's good. Rightio. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to leave the box. Come around the front. Oh yeah, they're coming and going now. Hey, wildling, go right around. So, as you can see, a few left in the box. Don't think there's a queen in there anywhere, but I might just put this. I'd like to have it close for them to go in and out, but I don't want to confuse them either. I'll just leave that there for now. That's my guess. And they can transfer to the new one. It appears they worked it out. We want them to go in the other one. Maybe if I close up the entrance. So this is the start of our honey ranching. Yeehaw! Round up those bees. So if you need any info, there's plenty of good websites. If you're interested in the Flowhives, have a look at their site. They've got plenty of really good videos, plenty of help for those who want to go for a standard hive, auto hive or Flowhive. Of course, if you're in the United States of America, heaps and heaps and heaps of good videos. There's a couple of good ones from the UK. I might actually put a link to one of each that I've found useful for me, but all the technogabble that you need to know, they'll have all of that. All I focused on was having it north facing, so it's just east of north. I've got a beetle trap in it, mesh floor for this one. I've just got core flute in there at the moment while they settle in, and once they're comfortable in it, probably another week, I'll take that core flute out and put it in the tray. That way, if there's any hive beetles or any rubbish like that, I'll be able to pick up and identify it. Are they sorting it out? Have they figured out where they need to go? They definitely look like they're settled in. I might move that right out of the road now so there's less confusion. And they'll be able to get any of the stuff they want from that, be able to get it, move it elsewhere. And you, dog, out. Phooey. Just watching it for a bit. I think I'll open this little traffic control section up with one more click each side. Just simply because it looks like they're doing well. There we go. Ow, you just crashed into me. And the bees go. We got bees. Beehiving. Bonanza. That was funny, you got to admit it. Beehive yourself. Wow. 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 Beehive.